Hi, I'm Garrett, the Dirt Doctor, and I'd like to tell you about some commercial products that fit perfectly into the natural organic program that I recommend. Instead of making your own home brews and using hydrogen peroxide, you can buy this commercial product from BioSafe. It's BioSafe Disease Control. It contains hydrogen peroxide and is extremely effective on controlling fungal diseases, bacterial diseases, and other things. Recommend you give it a shot. The other product in the BioSafe line that is extremely powerful and effective is the weed control product, and it uses fatty acids and other acids, things I recommend. It is non-selective. You have to spot spray what you want to kill. It kills grassy weeds and broadleaf weeds as well, and it is completely non-toxic. Very, very good product. And then for your ponds, for your koi ponds and fish ponds, this is a bacteria product that's excellent, highly concentrated, very effective, gives you crystal clear water, helps the fish and helps the plants. Give these BioSafe products a try. I think that they'll fit into your program just like they fit into my natural organic program.